If you need to access your Namecheap cPanel and you do not want to deal with a separate cPanel username and password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log in to Namecheap cPanel the easy way, using your Namecheap account. This is especially helpful if you forgot your cPanel login details or just want a faster way to get into your hosting dashboard. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap, then log into your Namecheap account with the email address and password you normally use. Once you're inside your account, look for the hosting list. This is where all of your hosting plans are displayed in one place. Click on Hosting List to continue. Now, find the hosting plan that is connected to the website or cPanel account you want to access. If you have more than one plan, take a second to make sure you select the correct one. After you found it, look for the button that says Go to cPanel. Click that button. This is the key step because Namecheap will now automatically sign you into cPanel for that hosting plan without asking you to type in a separate cPanel username and password. In other words, Namecheap handles the login for you so you can go straight into your hosting tools, file manager, email settings, databases, and everything else inside cPanel. Once the page loads, you should be inside cPanel and ready to manage your website. That's all there is to it. No extra login step, no searching for old credentials, and no wasted time. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.